Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well,
In this video, we'll perform a warm-up drill.
which is jam-packed functional to improve your body posture and letting you perform your daily activities at ease.
We will learn to use our body from head to toe as a kinetic chain, knowing plumb line of human body.
Don't swing and rotate your body mindlessly.
Your ankle, knee, hip need to be mobile to stable the lower back.
Where shoulder and neck need to be mobile to stable the upper back, which gives healthy posture. Let's move on to our first exercise, that is cat stretch, which is good for your spine and erector spine. While performing, pull your navel in and brace your core.
Next exercise is lunge and pulse. It is good for your ankle, knee and hip. It is good stretch for people with anterior pelvic tilt. Keep in mind, heel will not come off the floor.
Moving on to the next, T rotation with lunge. T stands for thoracic spine, as in T push-ups. It is good for your upper back. Try to do a full range of motion.
Next is dip squats, which is good for your ankle, hip and knee mobility. When you go down, keep your body upright, keeping your shoulder blades behind, not to leave your hands from your feet throughout the movement.
Next is downward dog paddle, which is again good for ankle, hip, knee and erector spine mobility. Keep your hips high, reducing the distance between your legs and hands.
Next is up dog to down dog, which works anterior chain to posterior chain. No sinking of shoulder in up dog position.
As we know, Newton's third law of motion, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So, if you are doing mobility at some joints, your other joints need to be stable. Moving on to next is a bird dog, which is your lateral hip opener and good for your stability. Recruit your core, keep your spine neutral, keep your neck down, no tilting of pelvis, keep your pelvis square.
Next is cobra, which works for spine and erector spine. Lift your chest up without using hands. Lift from your mid-back.
Work your whole body as one kinetic chain to boost your brain memory, which is also called neuromuscular or brain to muscle coordination. On to the next, hollow hold, which is good for your shoulder mobility and core. Compress your spine and recruit your core. Reduce arc of your back by doing posterior tilt of pelvis. Next excellent move is glute bridge, which works posterior chain of your body and your spine. Do it very slow. Start lifting from hips up to chest and lower it down from chest to hips. Last repetition, lift your one leg up for 5 seconds without tilting your hip. Next two are good for your upper back, which is shoulder protraction and retraction and shoulder elevation and depression. Working on mobility of your shoulder girdle. Keep your elbows locked and don't use your arms.
Before jumping into any skills and reflection, excel in these simple moves. As we learn alphabet first, then words and later sentences. So, apply this in your daily workout as well.
This whole drill will be useful for correcting your body posture, helping you perform your daily activity at ease. Standing side to side, which is a good hip opener. It works on your ankle, knee, hip and erector spine mobility. Try to do full range of motion. It is good for people with the tight adductors.
Leg swing, which is again a good opener for hip joint. Don't swing mindlessly. Avoid tilting of pelvic and shifting whole body weight on one side.
Stabilize your core doing anti-rotation, which is one of the fundamental movement of functional training.
Next move is a good move to fire up your glutes, that is single leg squat reaches, which is hip stability and core. So avoid tilting pelvic and activate your glutes.
Last but not the least, shoulder rotations,
which is a good move for your upper back. Working mobility of your shoulder girdle.
Touch your elbows to each other. Perform full range of motion, opening up your scapulae.
Perform 8 to 10 repetitions of each exercise, keeping proper technique and posture.
Do one set of each exercise, keeping 15-second rests in between.
Hope this video will be useful for you. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon below.